In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Gmail preview pane. If you spend a lot of time in your inbox, the preview pane, called reading pane in Gmail, lets you see an email's content and your message list at the same time, so you can triage and reply faster without constantly opening and closing threads. First, open a desktop browser and log in to Gmail. This feature is designed for the web interface, so you'll want to be on gmail.com rather than the mobile app. Once your inbox loads, look to the top right corner of the screen for the settings gear icon. Click it to open the quick settings panel. This sidebar gives you immediate visual controls for common layout options without diving into deeper menus. In the quick settings panel, scroll down until you find the reading pane section. This is where Gmail lets you pick how the preview behaves. You'll see 3 layout options, and choosing one will immediately show you how your inbox will look with that setting. The first choice is no split. This is the default Gmail view most people are familiar with, where you see your list of emails and clicking a message takes over the full window. If you like a clean, single-column experience and don't mind going back and forth, you can keep this as is. Next is right of inbox. This layout shines on widescreen monitors or large laptop displays. Your list of emails stays on the left, and when you click a conversation, the full message opens on the right side. It keeps your place in the list visible while you read or reply, making it ideal for quickly scanning through multiple messages. Finally, there's below inbox. This places the preview under your message list. It's handy on smaller screens, or if you prefer, a top and bottom workflow. When you select a message, the content appears beneath the list, which can feel more natural if you like to read vertically without shrinking the width of your emails. After you pick the layout you prefer, Gmail will refresh automatically to apply the new view. Don't worry, this refresh only updates the layout. None of your emails or settings are affected. If you change your mind later, just click the gear icon again and choose a different option under reading pane. It's easy to switch back to no split whenever you want a simpler look. That's it. You've enabled the Gmail preview pane and tailored it to your screen. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.